Hello everyone, welcome back to Imou Lab, the first episode of our Cell Go series. Take a look, what is this? It's our Cell Go. I love it so much. Even though I'm on a long business trip, the Cell Go is still working normally after I got home. In this video, we will show you the convenience of the installation of Cell Go, its 120-day long battery life, and the real-time battery life monitoring function. Let's check it out. First, how does one install Cell Go? It's so easy. Other normal products of the same kind often have very complicated cables, which always turn the user's rooms into a mess. But Cell Go completely eliminates the hassle of network cables and power cables. It does not require additional cables or sockets. On non-magnetic surfaces, we only need to use a little bit of 3M glue and press it lightly like this to finish the installation. Cell Go has a long battery life of 120 days, which means you might even forget when you last charged it. It can help you monitor home security for a long time without missing every second. It saves you the trouble of frequently charging it, and it can follow you anywhere and record your life. Cell Go also has real-time battery life monitoring, so every ounce of the usage of the battery is under your control. It allows you to detect a power shortage in time, so you can recharge in time to protect your family at all times. Cell Go, protect your family with power.